Hey guys, what's up? So I'm playing some Terraria. So let's continue World Linkish 2. So as I was doing yesterday, how I died by freaking stupid earthworms. I didn't know earthworms could swim. I didn't. So I'm more or less done with earthworms or going down in the tunnels. Because I'm tired of earthworms killing me. So, that being said, I'm going to leave. It's such a peaceful area, you know. So how you guys been? It feels like yesterday I posted like, feels like almost nothing. I think I work on connecting my house with another house. I like that idea. Maybe I should make a door here. Yeah, probably should. So he can pop. Now, I don't want him to die though. Which I'm guessing is going to be his area of expertise. Okay, I'm just rambling. How do you kill this goldfish? Oh, I'm guessing this is how you kill it. Or my sword. Oh yeah, swords. Wait, how do you kill it? I made it so I could swim. Wait, is this a walk on water potion? No! Okay, that was cool. Yeah. Okay, where am I gonna go? I have an idea though. I have an idea. This is a boring episode so far. I suck at this game. So you guys keep watching. You guys are pretty cool for watching my crap. I thank you a lot, actually. There's a bunny. Oh dear. Oh dear. Those mushrooms? It's such a peaceful neighborhood. You guys know that? What the hell? How do you pick it up? I'm gonna try to build like a house, like a major cool house. Yeah, only one episode? It's a possibility. Okay, I'm gonna try to bring that. Whoa, that was really scary. Okay, I'm gonna try to bring this. What the hell? What's your issue? Oh, yeah. Take it, son. Take it. Eat it. God, I hate these chicken. I really want to block these guys out. Oh, that's too bad. You can't reach up here. Oh, you guys see that I have sources. Really? You're really gonna bother me? Not if I outrun you. Go away. What's on? Okay, that's cool. Or jump cliffs. Kind of suicidal, don't you think? How far am I? God. It's like the longest way over. But at least this is only like one of the only ways that to reach my house. What the? I didn't know my house is that high. I have to like to make like the biggest piece of stairs ever. Oops. Like the biggest piece of stairs friggin' ever. I gotta get up there somehow. Okay, let's attempt to do this by like this. I might like how many times have I said like? I think like a million times. Like, oh crap, it's gonna nightfall. I got a great shelter. We'll be ready for zombies. I'm never. Who's ever ready for zombies? Zombies are ready. I'm such like an amazing entrepreneur, right? Like I can tell things, you know what I mean? I'm like awesome at telling things. I tell stories of other people. No, that's bad. Bad. Staves. There you go. I'm just like awesome at this. So you just give me like one step. I'm gonna make it up there like with plenty of time. Not gonna be safe. How long have I been at this for? 7 minutes. Okay, still plenty of time. Go away. 7 minutes. Okay, cool beans. I'm frightened out of my mind right now. Zombies come out around this time. Maybe I should do this in the daylight. Like, are the zombies like able to catch me? Oh, yeah, they got into my house. Yeah, done. What the hell? He jumps? He hops? I jump from like freaking height, I'll die. They'll be like, I was slang. I'll be like, no, it wasn't. Because slang is for, okay, this is random. So, I filmed a vlog today. Go away, zombies. No one likes you. I did was rather good. My flip lens came in. Something went wrong with it. Oh crap! I ran out of bricks. Shit. How am I gonna get there? Do I have any wood? Well, wood gets eaten. That's why nothing but wood. Wood can be placed. I don't think I care. All right, I'll put stone. Put stone. I don't know. It's gonna be like it's gonna be an array of weirdness. Am I making sense right now? I don't think I am. Alright. I'll put wood. Usually wood doesn't work for me. That's why I use dirt. Dirt is always. I don't know if it's just me, but like dirt. Dirt stays still. Nobody stays still. I don't care. So I'm aiming for that, like the top, just like put that there, or any one of them really. I really don't care. I want to build this by the end of the video to make it seem like I do stuff. When we all know, I don't. Oh, zombie, you can't hop this high. Oh, I told the bunny I can hear it from here. I hate it when bunnies like they roam the night thinking that they rule the night, and then they realize, wait a minute. Oh, bunny was killed. See, look at my awesome house in here. Oh my god, yeah, I bought all myself. Sure. Go away, dude. I'll kill you. Oh, you jealous? You jealous? Yeah. God, I hate that. No! Jesus! God damn it. Fuck. Well, I'm almost there. I can practically drill a hole and I'll be there. What time am I at? Oh, 10 minutes. Oh, 10 minutes. Okay, my computer's gonna explode. Jump! Haha, die. Alright, guys, that's it. Oh, I wish you guys could stay a little longer. Bye, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I won't do anything. I promise. Bye. I love you. Okay, I love you guys. Bye. Those eyeballs are like banging balls. Okay, never mind. Bye.